the structure of Cube and MRI is very solid and secure. Where we see greater improvements are the ability of property managers out to site or residents who live at the properties sending photographs of property issues that need to be fixed, because that is one of our primary responsibilities, and it's being able to quickly resolve a problem. More importantly, when the second person reports exactly the same gutter is broken, our help desk team can tell the resident, "Thank you very much for your call. We are aware of that problem, and the action we have taken is X, Y, and Z." And this is the key benefits of maintenance management, because we can very swiftly respond to a known problem.